Hey guys, so yeah, video is kind of a rant here. Um, why I won't be doing YouTube Shorts and how YouTube Shorts are kind of ripping you off. So I read a little thing on how YouTube Shorts pays you. Supposedly, they just take all the money that's made from YouTube Shorts and divvy it up, like kind of like TikTok, I guess, which is kind of weird. I just wanted to show a couple comparisons though. Here's how to remove and replace a recessed LED light. Estimated revenue $125, 18,000. Let's go with 19,000 views. So $125 divided by 19,900. Let's just say 20,000 views. Let's see. 125 divided by 20,000 views. Okay. That gives us 0.006 cents per view, but as most of these things are done by 1,000, so per 1,000 views, 625 CPM, which is pretty good. It's pretty good, I think. Okay, now let's look at this one. This is a short, 67 cents and 26,000 views. So I'm just going to go 0.67 divided by 26,000 views. Okay, this gives us -5, so the decimal point gets moved over 5 times. So that's going to give us 0.00002 cents per view. Okay, so let's just multiply that by 1,000. 2 cents per 1,000 views. 2 cents. So 10,000 is going to give you 20 cents. 100,000 views is going to give you $2. Meanwhile, this one's giving me $6 per 1,000 views. So 2 cents per 1,000 views on the shorts. And that's consistent. Look, 13,000 views, 27 cents. Okay, so I don't know if this is just switching over because the shorts are kind of new, but you see the views are here and then estimated monetized playback. So out of 20,000 views, I got 370 monetized playbacks. So a monetized playback is when a viewer is shown at least one ad impression. So out of 20,000 views, they're showing them 300 ads. So the YouTube Shorts is not the way to go right now. From what I can tell, just monetarily, that is garbage. Here's 12,000 views, 7 monetized playbacks. So I guess with the 7 estimated monetized playbacks, I got 3 cents off of the 7 ads. But yeah, this is not on par with. Man, I just don't know why there's not really any ads shown with those. So I don't know if they're trying to fix that or whatever. But you can see with the ones that an actual video, how to fix your garage door opener. Okay, 12,000 views and 14,000 monetized playbacks. So more monetized playbacks than actual views, and $75 on that. So. And that's not a super long video. I think it's over 2 or 3 minutes. So I think, but the shorts are what 30 seconds. So I'm definitely going to be trying to make sure that my videos are not shorts because you can see you could have. What if I had 1,000,000 views on this one? Times 10,000 or times 1,000. Let's do times another 1,000. Okay, so 1,000,000 views with short money would give me $20. 1,000,000 views. 1,000,000 views with that other one would be, what did we say, $6 times would be 6,000. So huge difference there as far as monetization and income off of the shorts, and then off of just normal videos where my CPM is decent. Okay, Avenue gross for 1,000 playbacks, which an ad was shown. So the CPM here is deceptive, I would say, just because it says, oh, from the monetized playbacks, I got $1.02, but it only showed me 232, so that was $3 per monetized playback out of 13,000 views. So if there were more monetized playbacks on the shorts, yeah, then that would be a lot better. But since this number here does not coincide with this number here, your revenue is way lower on these. So I thought that I would share this with my YouTube friends out there, and you can just see how that's a little kind of crazy as far as the difference. 1 million views would give me 1 million views on my how-to videos is like 6,000. 1 million views with a short is like $20. So the shorts are not a good way to go right now. I mean, even if you went viral and got like 50 million views or something, that would still be less than this. You'd have to, I don't even know how many you'd have to get. What it was, $20 for 1 million, so times 50. Yeah, you could get 50 million views, and it would still be less than my 13,000 views or whatever, 20,000 views on this one. That's crazy. So that's just kind of my little rant there, and why I will not be doing YouTube Shorts unless they fix that. And I'm kind of sorry that a lot of my videos are short videos, and they got kind of switched over to YouTube Shorts. A lot of my brain test tricky puzzle games are so, and I'm going to maybe do another video with that, just showing the revenue before it was a short and now that it is a short, now that shorts have been invented, and see the difference in income there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.